Hey everybody, Al Williamson with LeadingLandlord.com. Hey, I've had some people ask me, well, how do you estimate expenses when you're doing rental arbitrage or when you do long short-term rentals, which I call long shorts or extended stay rentals? How do you estimate the expenses? So I wanted to go through a little case study for you, kind of show you the details of it, all right? So how do you estimate expenses? Now I only do extended stays, that's 30 days and longer. I'll show you how I do it. First thing you do is you want to find out what the cost of the monthly rent is. That's your base. And these things are added on top of that, okay? Now these are things in addition that you may not be thinking about when you think about expenses. Here are your fixed expenses. You're going to pay these whether someone's in your place or not. So I call them fixed. It's your electricity, all right? And your gas, your any type of parking that you have a monthly cost to that. And internet. You got to pay that, any type of streaming services. Those costs go on whether there's someone in there or not. That's why I call them fixed. There might be some others too. Some people call noiseware fixed as well. Now your optional expenses are things like insurance. Some people want insurance, renter's insurance, and other type of vacation rental insurance. Linen services. Sometimes linen is dropped off for your clients once a month, once every 2 months. That's an optional thing. Different streaming services are optional. You know, Disney Plus, Paramount, all those other packages of HBOs and all those things are optional. A security system, if you want simply safe or something like that, that you can just, those are optional. Doorstep trash pickups, the concierge service for high-end rentals, high-end vacation rentals, absolutely. Noise detection software, that can come as fixed or optional. I don't use any myself because when you cater to people who are staying for months at a time, they're not there to party. They're there for a work assignment. So I typically don't have that. And a property manager or a VA. Those things are optional. For some, depends on what your scale is. For me, I'm starting to do the same thing over and over for the past 6 years. I'm getting a VA. Okay, now the cost that you can pass through to your clients is really important. Of course, cleaning. Whatever cleaning costs there are, you want to pass that through, and you want to mark that up a little bit, so you want to know what your cleaning costs are. And maid service, if there's any type of maid comes in while that person is staying there, you want to pass that on to your client. Now, for extended stays, hotels-wise, they have cleaning once a week. Okay, and people that typically stay with us in the corporate housing realm, maid services on the table for whatever people want to order. For me personally, for the way we do it, we don't have anybody come into the place during the time. No maid service whatsoever. Okay, let's do an example here. Here is one of our places in Sacramento, California, and this is what it looks like inside. It's a 1-bed, 1-bath. Very simple. Very simple. That's the way we do it. And basic stuff, television and basic kitchen. There's really nothing spectacular. It's just clean and it's in a great location, and that's what makes it so profitable. That's our bedrooms, and that's our signature world map. That's what it looks like. For our income, we charge $2,017 every month for this, and right now this is on an 8-month booking. We got someone there for 8 months, so we set it and we forget it. And our expenses are, these are actual. Our rent, we pay $1,100 every month to the landlord. Our electric cost is about $60. Our gas, when it is wintertime, of course this is the average, it's about $21. Now we're going into summertime, that price is going to go down for gas. Our parking, whether someone's there or not, we're paying $60 a month, $2 a day. And our internet costs us a little bit less than $70, $69 per month. So if you add all that up, and what you get is $1,310. Okay, that's how much cost that we have every month. Again, we bring in $2,017, so it leaves us a monthly spread of $707. That's a nice spread. Okay, so that's how it works. You get good at estimating your costs. You can predict how much you're going to make if you're doing rental arbitrage or some type of extended stay rental. All right, I hope that helped you out. I hope that's going to give you some more confidence so that you can take action. You can change your life by doing extended stay rentals. These long shorts are something that you can do with a simple place, and you keep it simple so you can make a big profit. I'm happy to help you out. Hey, if you want more tips on how to increase your net income or reduce your expenses, all you got to do is real simple. Just subscribe.